Yo, our video them a come cooler than even the movie them in Hollywood now. You get what I say? After we don't know as youth and people say, them create the movie them for influence the mind of the youth them and for influence people for think a certain way and act a certain way. The man them come and use the same, you know, see, you can't absolve them money or any form of responsibility for certain things that are going on in a society now, Rasta. You know, see, I'm glad them bright and show off to call watch what I want to name. Romish Entertainment. You know, see, at them time of entertainment, at them thing you entertain man like Romish. You understand what I say? And at them type of people in our society claim so them a produce dancehall music and I select the type of tune where for go out there, go upon airplay and for publish and distribute and them thing amongst the youth them. You understand me? At them influence, at them access to them type of mindset you have in our music. You get what I say? Now them mindset here some sick, sinister mindset because nowhere else in the world, go see people administrate them way towards women and even put them in an entertainment like something we're supposed to be revered or glamorized. You understand what I say? Them things are totally sadistic intent. You get what I say? Them things are in the mind of some man. I wonder if all when Shantia say all them type of thing, if she feel comfortable with all them people around her picnic and all them type of thing there. Cause to be fair, this are them thing are the man, the mind rasta. Them thing are the imagination of the man mind. Them thing are thing where mind accept. Look, why make him never put like a woman who look like film type of race type of people there so? You know, see it. It wouldn't look so bad because them type of people, it's not the majority of the population of Jamaica. When you put a black woman there, so you see how much black woman, black youth are kill and things like that. Rather than put out all a video where I show the type of mentality where do them thing there. Because if you show the youth, them say them thing they're not normal, them thing they are sickness. You understand what I say? Anytime you find a man detract himself from the real emotion and the intent of the character of a woman, the reason. And them type of man they do them thing there, and them type of man they where remove themselves or find themselves removed from the female gender like that, always have some sort of sick sexual desire. Some desire where is a possibility to say him can't even get to carry out them desire there and be accepted by even him parents anymore. You know, see it. So them suppress them desire there, and because of them suppression them boy they all get mad. You know, see it. And because again it's a sexual thing and them find themselves in a for them mind so them is a sexual type of thing and the woman is the object of most man's sexual desire. The woman coming like an offense to them, You know, see, so no for who where I promote and I propagate them type of thing, yeah. You know, see, no for who no realize the magnitude and the gravity of deprivation of thoughts and mentality where even dream up them type of thing if you put in at the public and think it even acceptable if you put in at the public. Amongst people, picnic see them thing and things of them thing acceptably, Rasta. You know, see it. The man them where do them thing, you forget run out and chase out of music. You know, see it. The man that defeat the whole purpose of the music in the first place. You know, see it. Our music, our world power. Our music are the only superpower in the world, the only black superpower, the only black nuclear missile. You know, see it. Our music stop apartheid in South Africa. I'm telling you that all the while I want to make people come infiltrate it and I do them thing with the music. And the worst thing, Javelin come like him, they're responsible for nothing what go on here. So because the lyrics not relevant compared to the video. The lyrics in terms of the video are relevant. I think one line in it will make reference or have even reference to associate it with the type of video. You know, see, I don't remember that line because I never respect the whole project. I'm not telling a lie, Rasta. Somehow the way I make money, man, enough to be more responsible with no access. You know, see, you don't have money in your pocket already, Rasta. You give the ghetto youth them a chance to grow and develop and try and make something for themselves or make something out of themselves, no? And them influence you and push on the ghetto youth them. What sort of energy this? What sort of negativity this, Ramesh? Woe be unto you, you know. I hope Shanzi I learn. Yeah. Yeah, man. Greetings again at the mighty name of Rastafari, you know. I'll show you a little slice of Jamaica in England. A little Jamaican garden, you see me? Yeah, I'm plant tomato tree, I'm a little weed tree down there. So a weed sucker just come up and a scotch bonnet over there, so, you know? Yeah, and then a little scotch bonnet in the corner there again. Yes, I. Yeah, more blessed.